springtime is when everything comes back to life. Mama Earth is taking that inhale again from her deep rest. The yin yang and life in black and white, something I'm focusing on.
Where's Q? Play that beat again.
Creating this now because now is when we're entering spring and we're entering Earth's way of, or Earth's new year. Not our calendar new year is different from nature's representation of a new year. Hello, what's good? Wagwan. I haven't been on for a hot minute. It got a little bit, I mean, I still love it. It looks a bit acid-y, and you can't really see all the numbers, especially the feathers. I feel overpowered. So it was 2018, and I'll show you the footage of how it was and how we got here. I didn't record all of it though, but you can see there's like orange and it's kind of sparkly and stuff too. And I really love how this turned out though, because I want to be creative, just take some me time, and I can show you, like, I love to color. It's one of my favorite like hobbies or whatever. Kind of impatient where I'll do something and then I'll move on to the next. That's what I've been working on lately. And I really love doing this type of stuff, so I want to incorporate that in more weekly activities and also in videos. And actually I can show you guys. There we go. Okay, so because my mind hasn't been feeling so clear, I feel like it's been clear, but like I feel like the mind is always clear, but our access to the mind is through our individual state of mind, state of being. So if you're not feeling up to date-ish, then girl, okay, I'm gonna be back, okay?
Det var Odd som tok på seg ansvaret for dette prosjektet. Vi som kjenner Odd vil vite det at Odd er helt genuint interessert i andre mennesker. Han har en helt egen evne til å bli kjent med andre mennesker. Og det å la Odd fortelle historier om mennesker i Bergen og på Vestlandet i dette formatet her, det tror vi kommer til å bli veldig fint.